Types of drones: multi-rotor drones, fixed-wing drones, single-rotor drones, fixed-wing hybrid VTOL. Multi-rotor drones are the easiest and cheapest option for getting an eye in the sky. They offer great control over position and framing, making them perfect for aerial photography and surveillance. They are called multi-rotor because they have more than one motor. The most common types include tricopters, 3 rotors, quadcopters, 4 rotors, hexacopters, 6 rotors, and octocopters, 8 rotors. By far, quadcopters are the most popular multi-rotor drones. Advantages: incredible control over flight, highly maneuverable, move up and down, back to front, side to side, and even rotate on its own axis. Can fly really close to structures and buildings, can carry multiple payloads, making it super efficient for inspections. Disadvantages: limited endurance and speed, not ideal for large-scale aerial mapping or long-distance monitoring, requires a lot of energy just to fight gravity. Flight time is short, around 20 to 30 minutes with a lightweight camera. Heavy payloads mean even shorter flight times. Electric motors only. Gas engines aren't practical due to fast and precise throttle adjustments. Technical uses: visual inspections, thermal reports. 2. Fixed-wing drones. Unlike multi-rotors, fixed-wing drones look and work like an airplane. They rely on wings for lift rather than vertical rotors, meaning they use energy only to move forward. This makes them super efficient. Advantages: can cover long distances and map huge areas, insanely long flight times. Gas-powered versions can stay in the air for 16 plus hours, can fly at higher altitudes, carry more weight, and handle rough conditions better. Disadvantages: expensive, requires training to fly, no hovering here. Once it's launched, you have to stay in control. Post-flight processing is a lot. Hundreds or even thousands of images need to be stitched together for analysis. Technical uses: aerial mapping, agriculture and forestry surveys, infrastructure and security monitoring, UAV, coastal surveys. 3. Single rotor drones. These look like actual helicopters. They have one large spinning rotor plus a tail rotor for direction and stability. Strong, durable and powerful. Advantages: more efficient than multi-rotors, especially if gas-powered. Can carry heavy payloads like LiDAR scanners. Best for a mix of hovering, endurance and speed. Built tough and durable. Disadvantages: expensive and complex to maintain. Vibrates a lot, not as stable as other types. Dangerous, long, heavy spinning blades require extreme caution. Technical uses: aerial LiDAR laser scanning, drone surveying, carrying heavy payloads. 4. Fixed-wing hybrid VTOL, the best of both worlds. These drones combine fixed-wing efficiency with rotor-powered vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL). They can hover and fly forward with ease. Think Amazon Prime air delivery drones. Advantages: autopilot does most of the work. Ultimate hybrid, perfect for both hovering and forward flight. Disadvantages: still new technology, not many options available yet. Expensive and evolving. Technical uses: drone delivery,